shoot. We're just gonna follow this detour. I have no clue where we are. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Holy cow, it has been forever. Oh, I've been super busy. I've been, you know, leveling up my skills. I'm back now. This is the first long form video we've created in a like super long time, almost a year, so I've been a little lazy. Today we're gonna do a challenge, only turning left, as you guys saw from the title. So the only thing that I can do is turn left, I can't turn right. So I'm gonna go out a ways and then see if I can get lost or not. If I just turn left a couple times on a certain road, I'll just end up back to where I was. So we're gonna try to, you know, mix things up a little bit. So yeah, I've been riding like every day. I've been progressing my skill as a rider. You know, trying to get better in every way, shape, or form. First left of the day. First wheelie of the day, too. What the? There's a boat sitting on top of there. I was not expecting that. Finlayson. Finlayson. No, I haven't ridden in this town very much. This is part of the area that was hit by that Hinkley fire. It's the Hinkley-Finlayson area. Damn truck going 30 and a 60. Come on now. Oh, there's ducks! There's ducks! Oh! This would be an elite fishing spot, I bet. Anyways, yeah, that Hinkley-Finlayson area, that was an area that was hit by a super crazy wildfire. Wildfire or fire, I don't know. I don't know if it was completely wild, but I'm pretty sure it was. Even the water wasn't safe for people. They jumped in the water and it just be like boiling hot. It was pretty bad. Some of these trees that are still standing today, you can see signs of like burns and stuff like that from the fires. So I don't want to take a left on a road that would just lead to a dead end, because then that would kind of be the end of the challenge. So we're going to try to find a road that'll keep us going, like a highway or something. So none of these dirt roads way out in the country. It's a very lonesome house. Lonesome roads. I know there's a lake somewhere around here. I kind of want to turn left at that lake to see if we can go around it. I want to turn right here. Oh, this is a good spot. Oh, it looks curvy. Alright, second attempt at a wheelie. Actually, we'll go up here when it's a little bit straighter. Oh, it's not really straight. Alright, here, let's get it. I promise I can wheelie longer. I had to cut it short because of the curve, and I don't know how to wheelie around curves yet. What an awesome place to live. I'm just out here mass disturbing all these houses. Well, that guy didn't look happy. Oh, there's a dog. We're gonna be quiet. Don't want to hurt that dog's ears. I honestly don't know how far this road goes. we're just gonna keep going. Wow. Some of these houses are brand new. Alright, let's see if I can give you guys a good one. I'm still learning. We were at 12 o'clock just a little bit. I don't have ABS taken off yet, and that messed me up one time in a wheelie, so I'm kind of scared to drive it back. It like locked that rear tire up. Not cool at all. Alright folks, I'm going to be completely honest. I have no clue where we are. Let's hit another wheelie. Practice makes permanent, baby. Ah, we could have done better. I went off to the right a little bit, like it leaned to the right. I don't know how to fix that yet. If somebody is super good at wheelies, let me know in the comments. I want to get better. Every single time, like I wake up and I go, oh, getting a little bit of a death wobble. I wake up and I get on the bike, like I need to recondition myself. Like whenever it's the next day, what am I talking about right now? Whenever I'm off the bike for a little bit and then I hop back on it, I gotta wheelie a couple times to get back in the feel of things every single day. Like I'm never able to just straight up muscle memory.
Let me show you how to get that bad. You ain't never coming last. Fuck your man. Yay!
I could have written that one out for a bit, but my main goal is to not chase wheelies. That's the last thing I want to do. Oh hell nah. I gotta ride across dirt. Closed ahead. Oh no. Oh, there's another dirt. Oh, I hate that. Another dirt. Let's take it nice and slow. Oh shoot. We almost went down. And we're up. Go through there, but we're just gonna follow this detour. Getting forced to turn left anyway, I guess. Didn't even want to turn left yet. Yo, there's an exhaust pipe there. What road is this? Now we just gotta find a spot to get through. Right here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, I love you. Mwah!
Let me show you how to move. Let me show you how to get that bad. You ain't never coming last. Fuck your man, you know this gon' make him mad. Break that back, then we make a film on cam. Shake that ass, baby, show them that you bad.